What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. And in today's video, I got my guest right here.
Wow.
And Zena. Yeah. So this is gonna be another box opening and reveal. For our reveal today, we got this item. Boom. This product right here is called the Audiology Connect Desktop Charging Station. That's a mouthful right there. You see that? You see that? There we go. This product can hold an iPad, an iPhone, and a smartwatch, aka a Apple iWatch or whatever it's called. And it can also charge every single one of those. So that's pretty nifty, right? And on the box it also says this is a bamboo construction. The station is all made of bamboo. We're gonna open this and we're gonna try it out for y'all and then see if this is a good cop or not. Alright? Sounds good? Let's do it. Got my nifty knife right here, super sharp. Be careful, don't do this at home. Just like that. Ooh, it looks nice. Oh, it feels nice too. Feels sturdy, feels well made, like the wood's not coming off. I hate splinters, and I know a lot of people do too. Oh cool, look, you also have this thing right here. Babe has also brought hers to do a comparison on it.
This is what I used to start out with.
Yep, so side by side right there. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. And also, in the box you get this charging cable right here. Dang, this looked like one of those chargers for the PSP. But that's the dock right here. So you get four USB right here, and that's the power supply. This small one is the micro USB port. USB. And then I don't know the name of this one. That's the power input. That's the micro USB, and you got the 4 USBs. So we're gonna connect it together, and we're gonna charge every single thing and see how it goes. All right. So right here, got this magnet, and on the bottom got this magnet. So you kind of like.
I can see it.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool.
So you put the power port cord into one of the brick things that has a USB plug. Plug it into the wall. And then you take your Apple Watch charger, stick it in here somehow, loop it around here, and then stick it under here. So it can connect. And then loop it around in the back right here. And then you can plug it in. There you go. Take your other one, plug it in. Your other one, plug it in.
So many cords.
So many cords. And you take your tablet or your iPad, whichever one you have, put it in. To hear that is charging. Place it there. Take your phone. Charging. Place it there. You gotta take it off my wrist. Right here, and it's charging.
Wow, look at that. So
all that charging.
All that is charging at once on this beautiful bamboo dock. That is awesome. And then you could cable manage it by like tying it somewhere on the back to make it look more clean on your desk, wherever you're at. So yeah, that's pretty cool.
I like it. Thank you.
Oh yeah, this is for her, by the way. I found it at the store and I was like, you know what? Babe has all this stuff, so she needs it.
I do. I really do.
And we're back. So yep, that's the product. I give it a thumbs up.
I like it.
What about you? You like it too?
Yeah, it's more organized because what I started out with before was
just
this,
one of those,
and then just all my cords all on the floor.
And on the floor, exactly. So when I come over, I'm like, dang, you know, like I need to charge my stuff too, and it's all on the floor. You can step on and stuff like that. But I don't have a small desk to put this on, but then now I do. I can put this on a desk that's closer to me, and the cords are long enough that I can kind of just put it there and just attach. Yep.
Good
so
to
it's pretty nice, man. So other than that, our conclusion is this is a cop. So if you guys ever see it in stores, I suggest you guys pick one up. If you guys want to look a little bit more fancy, a little bit more clean, a little bit more organized, yeah, go for one of these bad boys right here. Yeah.
If you have a stylus, you can stick it right there.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's tight. And you can put a stylus or a pen. Oh yeah,
I've seen it somewhere. Oh, right here. Stylus pen holder.
Stylus pen holder. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So that's pretty cool. There you go. Or just put a pen, whatever you want. And you can add more too. You don't have to just put like those 3. You can add like another phone if you want, you know, or something, or like a notebook or something. But anyways, other than that, if you guys like this video, if this video was informative for you guys, and if you guys learned something from it, please smash the like button and subscribe to your homie for more videos. All right, thank you to my guest for being in this video and to testing this out for me, for herself as well. Yeah, everybody be safe, keep it breezy, and now I will see you in the future. Deuces.
You know what I mean?
Hadouken!